Your viewers, your subscribers, big up on yourself and you don't know a thing on New Link production there and the people. Yo, people on a real level, zin. Yo, I have to wonder, you know, say January, Jamaica is a place sometimes some things happen down there where me have to really wonder, me have to really talk book and as a blogger sometimes me read some topic or some news and me have to really just, like, me have to think and say, this really happen? Honestly, this really happen. Because, what made I think about, honestly, you know, we know that Jamaica is an independent country still, but what me feel say, you know, you should have a higher, although you have a higher court than Jamaica, which, if certain cases that a man gets sentenced, the court, they can look into it and say some things are right, but maybe they have to submit appeal and all about things. But, how can this be possible, right? A man and his wife, Zane, they have a dispute, a fight then. And the man chop the wife all over her body, you know, to death. What me say? All over her body to death, Zane. And in the end, that happened 2 years ago. Now we're in 2018. So that happened 2016. Zane, early 2016. Watch. And people, the man go court, Zine, yesterday. And get, cause he's behind bars, you know, still from that period of time. But he gets sentenced to 4 years in prison. He pleaded guilty to the murder for chopping his wife, common law wife, all over her body. He plead guilty. It's not like he gave one chop and she dead or he push it to her and she dead. Him plead guilty for give her chop all over her body. And this man only 4 years. Honestly now, people, that's why when I talk some things, you know, people will blame, but me go just talk truth and realistic. Back to Vybz Kartel now this. Look how much years Vybz Kartel get, right? Life imprisonment. Plea not guilty to a murder. We get life. They never find nobody. Which they have 4 persons get charged for this murder. And you give him life, you know? January story. It really, yo, where's the laws and the system? Where are the laws and the system? Don't punish a man for image or for, yo, it's just not nice. But at the end of the day, people, this is real stuff and we can't be biased. Not because a cartel and we don't like him. And the same goes to Ninja Man too. Not because them are entertainer or you could give them on someone ears when you have citizens out there who do bullshit. Because that's totally rubbish, man. No matter if you and the wife have dispute or that, you chop her all over her body, all with a machete, you plead guilty to the murder, and you get 4 years. And the 4 years time you come up, maybe you're going to do the same thing again. And taxpayer they feed you, you did you eat, while your wife right now 2 years ago, Congo Myanmar wrote, you come out back, you find a next woman, live your life, live nice while she gone, because 4 years burn off so fast, and maybe even get less. Honestly no. That right, people? Viewer, subscriber, this is not joke thing, you know. Yo, me know a lot of people, we could just be real, and this is on the blog. Yeah. We love views, of course, we love views. We love comments. We love likes. But me know not everybody I go agree, but on a real level, can somebody really disagree to this topic that New Link blog about, honestly? I know I post a lot of video when many people are going to dislike and I like, but on this topic, by using your head, even if she a burn you, no right for chop her. You're not no right for chop her up. Honestly, you chop her up all over her body. And imagine you get 4 years. Right now you're smiling inside. You're happy inside. You're laughing inside. But at the end of the day now, remember, there's a bigger man than we on the earth and you must see everything will happen. You see? You must see everything will happen. You was sorry for that. Maybe a year nice in that video, but because someone out there said them do some landscape or them do some work out there. So. But on a real level, those are things that we are talking about, and you know, it just not nice. Zin and New Link say, me no support it, and this a need for a child. Just like you know the case where they run a boy there, right? When the boy on a foot we kill River State Camp, that the Oscar Pistorius, and you see him get sentenced, right? And the family say they not happy with that, and what they do? Then go back in the court and he end up getting much years for him. You boy now. You boy will do that. You not deserve to come out. You deserve to get life without parole. And at that New Link say, big man thing, me done talk, you know. Life without parole and free cartel. Straight up, free cartel, free ninja man. If I say a system of a state, you're not going to tell me so them get future. You're not going to be honest now. Viewers, subscribers all over England, big up enough. America, big up. Canada, yo, I appreciate every new subscriber who come on the thing and give them views to the thing, and everybody I appreciate it. And I don't know the thing and New Link production this. And I say, yo, big up the whole of the warriors them at Jamaica. The real youth, them want to keep the thing real. You see me? Big up the whole of my real thugs them, my real G them. You see me? The real G them will hold the black and control the black. You see me? Because we have gangster friend, but we know we are gangster friend when I do nothing careless and nothing out of we. Big up on yourself. Whole TCI, Jamaica, New Link production, the whole Caribbean, big up, don't know, up.